Hello friends, my name is Nikhil. This is day 2 of my Python programming series. So today's program we will solve how to print items by using for loop. So firstly we need to create a list of name L, then we using for loop. So in list values we can call items and we need to print that in terminal. So first of all you need to understand and remember this thing. Don't use their range function, because many students and beginners use for in range, I in range, like that, and they got error. But please don't go with these pair. Okay, so I will explain you how to print items in terminal by using for loop. Okay, just keep in your mind, write for item in L and print items, then else print done. I mean, when you use for loop for using print items in terminal, then after run program successfully and else print done. Okay, then as you can see in terminal, my program is running successfully. After solve this program, we need to understand break and continue function. Break function means just break something which we can run, like we need to print 1 to 100 and we need to stop that on 35. So we use break function and print I. Then you can, as you can see, the program run only 34. And if you comment out this function, you can see the our program is going with 99 and run along to 100. After the break function we need to understand what is continue function. Okay, I hope so you can understand break function currently. And for beginners, please like this video and also subscribe my channel. Okay, because our Python series is going so long. Okay, so let come with the question for I in range, and let I think we need to go with 564. And if when we have a condition in our question, if you have I is equal to 34 and 560, only you need to print 560 or 56. Okay, but there we can use continue function, and there you can see our function is not going only with 56, they print all the way with 563, as you can see. But if we have used break function, or if I is equal to 56, our function only go with 56, not 564. Okay, so I hope so you can understand. The third one is pass function. What is pass function? So here you can see for I in range 654, but I am not write any single line like what is print after for loop. And after that I use while loop, then my program is run successfully because I use pass function. And please comment me if you understand what I want to explain you. Okay, so here's the fourth question. So here we need to print a truth table. I mean, just take the number and we need to print their table in the terminal. Okay, so what is the program for that? So here we need to, first of all we need to uh, take input by the user, like n is equal to int input, and enter the number. I mean, which number want to input, like I'm go with 2. But here's some mistakes the beginner also do and I also do. Okay, so here's the we need to take a comma and brackets carefully, because a single bracket go with wrong intention, our program will give, our program is give error. Okay, so here's the cross which I use. This is not a multiple symbol, there's only cross symbol. Okay, so the my function is not going with, I mean my program is not run successfully. So I need to remove this cross mark and use multiplication mark. And here you can see my program is run successfully. Now I enter the number 2 and here the print my table successfully. I hope so you understand.